769 Ann Lane. So I've been in a few of these units, and that's the entrance right there, and that's Lowe's. This is my favorite unit that I've been in. So we have the doorknob and the deadbolt here. Not all of them have that. The privacy gate. This is part of the reason why I like it so much, because these pavers here and you might want to trim these trees back, or sorry, the tree back away from the structure, but we have a little fire pit here, and maybe want to remove that dish, but it has a nice feel to it, in my opinion. So of course we'd want to change out the door handle at the front, on this garage door, on the screen door, and on the front door. Oh, and there's a little animal door here. So it's 4 doors. It's really dark in here. We would probably want to remove the cables, but the paint condition, from what I'm seeing, is pretty good. Like, it doesn't look like it was recently painted, but I'm not seeing a lot of marks. Maybe it was recently painted. I'm not seeing holes in the wall and things like that. Really cheap to replace that fan. Probably a good idea. And then your slider, your rear slider takes you to the little walkway in the community. And we have the really nice upgraded plantation shutters. And then open concept sort of to the kitchen. Cabinets look dated, but they look to be in good condition. Looks like there's a little stain there on the sink. The faucet's older, but we have the plantation shutters here as well, which you don't even need, it's frosted. And tile. Little coat closet. So there are laminate counters. I'm trying to look at the wear. Like it looks dirty, but it may be fine with a good cleaning. I'm not seeing a ton of wear, but that's definitely the property manager call, not mine. The fridge is a little small for this space. See that gap? Plantation shutters look good. I would replace that light. That's just me. Tiny bit of wear there on the cabinets. That's usually where you see the most wear. Okay, let's go upstairs. Carpet looks pretty new. It also looks like it's been stepped on a lot, so it just needs a good cleaning. A little creaky. So remove the cords in this room. We have plantation shutters. Carpet looks good. Closet door guides are on. So the door handles downstairs for the pantry and the coat closet were black. These are bronze. Not sure how much it matters being on the second floor. That smoke detector looks older. The fan's not bad. Carpet looks good. The paint of the baseboards in here, it's tannish in this room. It's probably not exactly the color we would have picked. It has a little bit of a purpley mauve to it, except this room. This room's more tan. But again, the condition looks pretty good. So normally we put vertical sliders on, but we'll ask the PM if we can just leave this as is since it's already here. Carpet looks fine. Baseboards were painted in here as well. Fan looks great. So there's no door here on this closet. And they did paint this too. Oh, that's locked. Don't want to know why that's locked. Okay. And that's it. Oh.